number 17 asks you to divide a polynomial by a polynomial. And if you look at this, you see you're dividing by 3x minus 4. And so you would do long division. Now some of you might say, hey, I'm going to do x minus 4/3, and then I am going to use synthetic. Well, that's all fine and dandy, but that means you have to divide everything by 3. And you have this 19 and this 5. So remember, you can't just do that and use the original ones. You have to change all your answers to divide by what you divided by here. Okay, so we're going to do long division. That's the easiest when you have problems like this. Okay, so we're going to say 3x minus 4 goes into 12x cubed minus 28x squared plus 19x minus 5. I have all my terms, so don't need to skip and put any zeros in there. First thing I say is 3x to 12x cubed would be a 4x squared. Now 4x squared times that would be 12x cubed minus 16x squared. Now I'm subtracting, so I get 0 for the x cubed term, but the x squared is negative 28 plus 16. So that looks like it is negative 12x squared. Pull down the 19x and go again. 3x now goes into negative 12x squared, negative 4 times, negative 4x times. So I get negative 12x squared, and then plus 16x. So subtracting that would be 19 minus 16. So that would be 3x. Pull down the 5. And so that would be plus 1. And that would be 3x minus 4. Subtracting, I get negative 5 plus 4. So I have a remainder of negative 1. So how I write that is I take that whole number, the negative 1, and put it over the divisor. So here's how you write the answer. 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 1 over 3x minus 4. And you could put plus and then put a negative out here, doesn't matter. So there is number 17. Number 18, just a longer function. Again, I would not do it using, I would do long division, because, let's see, you would have to divide everything by 4. And, well, we could try it that way. Let's try it. See what we get. We'll just play with this. So we're going to say this is x minus 6 over 4, which is 3/2. Now I have to divide everything by 4. So I would divide this all the way through by 4. So this is 4x to the 4th plus 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x. And then I do get this 27/4 here. All right, and then it's going to be 3/2 here. All right. So let's rewrite this. 4, 2, negative 6, 3, and 27/4. And I'm doing it by 3/2. So 4, this is synthetic division, remember. So 4, 12/2 would be 12/2, which is 6. So that would be 8. And then that would be 24/2, which is 12. So you have 6 here. And that would be 9, right? Because that would be 18/2. And this is 12. And, okay, that would be 18. So you have 27 over 4 plus 18. And so let's see, 18 over 4 times 4, is 32. 72. So 27 plus 72, I'm just trying to get this last fraction added, is 99/4. So you would say 4x to the third plus 2x. Can't read my handwriting. Okay, did you guys spot my error here? This is x plus, and I was doing minus. So this is supposed to be a negative 3/4 here. 3/2. A negative 3/2. So we're just going to have to redo this lower part. No biggie. I realized that, and I was like, wait a minute. Okay. So go back. Now we have negative. Okay, so 4. And then negative 3/2 times 4 would be negative 6. So then you get negative 4. And then you would have 12 over 2, which is 6. So you get 0 here, and then that would be 0. So that's pretty easy. And, okay, now 3 times negative 3/2 would be negative 9/2. All right, so 27 over 4 minus 18 over 4 is 9 over 4. So you get 4x to the third minus 4x squared plus 3, and now the remainder would be 9/4 over, and we had x plus 3/2, right? So that's what we ended up doing. Now we can't leave this remainder like this. So we have to get common denominator in the bottom. We have 9/4 over, that would be 2x plus 3, right, over 2. And so let's use complex fractions trick. That would be 18 over 4 times 2x plus 3, or 9 over 2 times 2x plus 3, 9 over 4x plus 6. So it's 4x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3 minus 9 over 4x, or plus 9, sorry, plus 9 over 4x plus 6. So a little more complicated, I think. It would be easier to have done that using long division, but just wanted to show some of you who were jumping to that synthetic division trick. So there we go.